Good morning, sweeties. I hope you're all good. I'm looking for brothers and sisters who actually understand the Wedics with W of the Germanic and the Slavic tribes. I'm inviting for co-creation since we need a translator who can translate all the knowledge into a form that we can make it accessible. I would also pass the information that coming back to the Wedics is no more than integrating the three light fields at the ultimate spot of growth, which are the three light fields of the threefold flame of creation, which is the blue flame standing for divine power of the Krishna, the golden flame standing for love and compassion as the Christ, and the violet flame standing for the wisdom of the Buddha. Thank you very much.